Hey guys, very good morning. Calm mind, can we initiate long straddle? I will talk about it, not at this moment. Just a moment. Hi Vijay. Very good morning. Yes, I was not even streaming for a few days. Yes, I had to unmute. I just did. Thanks a lot, Vijay. How are you doing? Uh, there are a lot of questions I saw in the group, and as well as today in the morning, Raina ji has asked some questions, and a lot of people have asked some questions. I have to answer them one by one. There has been a lot of confusion around what's happening. Is the market really reversing, or it's just some sort of retracement, right? Uh, it's not so complicated. Yes, I had a great weekend. We had a family friend's wedding. My dad's friend, his son was getting married, so went to attend that. Also, it was close to Isha Foundation, so we also extended that and then went to Isha Foundation. Had some good time, and then last night we came. Pretty hectic and tiring it was, but nevertheless, market always keeps you excited and energized, so that's not a problem at all. Um, so coming to the questions, let me just keep everything intact. We had a lot of yeah, we have lot of questions, right? First of all, you should know the levels, right? Maybe how do I share this with you? Mm, maybe I will go ahead and then publish this just for the interest of time. I'm just not going to fill in all the details. I'm going to just give. Oh my god, my baby is screaming. She's happy and excited. Just me one sec. Mm. All right. What do I do now? One moment. Mm-hmm. It's very much needed for publishing. All right, let's publish it. We are published. Yeah, so I have published the levels for the day. All right, just go ahead and then take it from my trading view. Okay, that is one. Levels are now published. Good, good to go. Right. Okay, just a moment, guys. All right. Hi, very good morning, Deadman's Gaming. So you guys have the levels with you now, correct? So one part is taken care of. One part is certainly taken care of, I believe. Yeah, great. So, oh, okay, Vijay. Yes, it's part of growing up, right? Like certainly we miss these screams. Yeah. and she just got up and she's super excited and just screaming. Okay. Um, so the next part is people didn't understand what happened yesterday, why the market was coming up, whether the market is really changing. A lot of confusion. In fact, I have answered that already, um, but not so in detail. On Friday, I said I will be traveling, and then I also told that market might retrace to 300 to 400 levels. If you go through that Telegram channel chat, that day I said first hour it can reach up to 300 to 400 levels. But what happened was it didn't reach in the first hour, but it reached in the second hour, right? That was a small twist. Other than that, we were expecting 300 to 400 levels, and market should retrace from there. Why we said that? Let's understand. Okay. uh, in order to get a good grip of what uh, this rise is all about, I will take in two tools. Okay, two tools I will bring in. Okay, just pay attention to this. So this is the bottom, and let's say this is the top. No, this is where the gap is, right? So it should go here, right? So the market had given a gap down from here and then reached a low of here, right? If you look at the retracement level 0.618, it is at 40,300 levels. Market retraced to 40,300 levels yesterday, isn't it? So it's a retracement move. Nothing so complicated, it is just a retracement move. Why I said 400? Because in Bank Nifty you cannot be so precise. There will be like plus or minus 100 points will be there. Nothing can be done about that. Right? Bank Nifty is having such a huge volatility, you can expect plus or minus 100 points. Right? So it fell from here. This is where the actual rally started. It reached as low as here. Not only that, that's not the only reason why we chose 400 also as a possibility. But if I also further if I also further extend from here till the start of the fall, this was the start of the fall, right? Now if you see 400 is coming, right? So between 300 to 400 was expected, because if the market has fallen this big, there has to be some retracement, right? And the retracement levels are between 300 to 400. That's why we mentioned in the Friday message. Okay, and as expected, the market came here. See, when it reached 300, it fell down. When it reached 300, it fell down. Again, it is trading here. Comfortably, you can go for PE positioning here, which is why I initiated some positions yesterday. And since I was like traveling, I didn't follow it up. I just left it because the quantity was very small. I know I can manage it today. In fact, I did manage it today. When the market went up, opened here, I took PE position and then booked it. So currently it is in no loss, no gain. Yesterday's position is in no loss, no gain. I did double average and then I booked it here. Right now it is in no loss, no gain. Right? So that's how it is. So this part is clear. Are you guys getting it? Please let me know if you guys got it. Can you guys confirm? Is my chat on? Yes, Vijay, it is Fibonacci. Okay, very good, Abhishek. Yeah. Dead Man's Gaming, no worries. You will not be understanding if you're new to the market. That's okay. So I will be taking a program on Fibonacci trading itself, exclusively on how to trade with Fibonacci. And the program is on 4th March. If you are interested, you can join in and then you will learn a lot of things about what I am talking here. Now you see the levels, it's breaching and then going down. I am holding only that 100 quantities that I have taken yesterday. I booked my profits and kept my position in no loss, no gain. Currently it is really in safe positioning, absolutely very well safe position it is. So yeah, 493 it is trading at. Okay, cool. Screen is blurred. I think you guys need to check the settings. You have an option to view the video in 1080 pixels. Can you guys confirm if it is still blurry in 1080 pixels? Oh, Bhargav, okay. 3K, yesterday you initiated some position and it is in loss, is it? Nothing. These PE positions are. If it is March end expiry, you don't have to worry. Is it a March end expiry, Bhargav? Can you confirm? So I'm going to just delete these Fibonacci retracements because too many lines there. So oh, March 9th expiry, you are taking a little bit of risk there. You need to do something now, right? Guys, is it only Vijay who is experiencing a blurred view, or anyone else faces the same issue? I'm not sure why it's blurry. Okay, Abhishek is able to see it properly. That's cool. Yeah, yeah, it's proper actually. It's really good. I am also able to see my own stream. It's absolutely wonderful. Yeah, it's clear. Thanks, Indra. Yeah, video quality is good. A lot of people have confirmed. So, yeah, I think it is probably your internet, guys. Please check Dhanashekar, Vijay, Vishwanath. So, I think it's your internet because everybody has confirmed that they are able to see it with very good quality. Okay, now what I need to do is any questions you have. Yesterday that move is now justified. Still, anyone has any questions, feel free to ask. It was a very simple explanation, but it's easy to show and explain than to text on Telegram. That's why I said let's discuss this during the stream. If you guys have still questions, feel free to shoot. Is it good time to average now? Can we discuss Nifty too? Nifty, I have not done my analysis yet, Vijay. Just I will open another tab and do that analysis. Then I will share the screen. Maybe I would need another 15-20 minutes for that. Bhargav, is it good time to average now? Don't average now. Don't average. The moment it comes into above or as equal as this red candle's top, say about 300. At 300 levels you can average. Because if it makes a spike till UT1, you will be losing double trades, right? So, or you can do one more thing. You can take month-end position. Month-end position of 40k PE you can take at this level. And then average at UT1 next position. Only if you have capital you should do that. Otherwise, if you are limited, just stop averaging. I am trying to get into my virtual trade. Good morning, Arvind Renaji. Any trades we can take in Bank Nifty? Of course, you can take. Let the market enter into this. Yeah, now you see it's jumping in, right? Let it reach 40,300 or above. You can take one small quantity. Best place to average is UT1, right? So these are great places to average. Yeah, another 15-20 points you can initiate a PE position, small quantity, and every 100 points you can keep on averaging, right? Then you have very good. Yeah, now you see this, it's becoming green. Let it go, let it go, right? Let it go with the momentum and reach UT1, possibly. You can take positions there. I have to check my positions once. Hmm. Cool. All right. I think this is all wonderful. Good. I think it's about 300, but I would advise you to wait. In fact, if you can get it at the peak, it's great. You'd go for the month end expiry so that you don't have to average every now and then, right? See, yesterday it closed like 100 points down. I didn't average. If you want more details, then you should go for 5 minutes candle. You have all the details here. You see? So these are great places to initiate and take. I don't know your capital. That's the reason I am suggesting safer ones. If you have good capital, you should take here, and then every 100 points you can average. Hi Surendra Kumar, welcome. Very good morning. Oh, very good, Arvind Renaji. You took one lot. That's good. No, don't go for 4400 P. 4500 you should go, because round strikes are liquid, right? They will show faster movement. 4400 will not move. So don't risk your. There will be a lot of slippage. You wanted to buy at 490, you will end up buying at 510 like that. Some 20 points and all will jump. Unnecessary slippage. Yeah, so energy has capital, then you should go for 4500. Deadman Gaming lost its mind. Market never has its mind. Yeah, it's about to break the new low, so it's good. If it is going to break the day low, then it will be fun, because we can expect the market to go to T2, T3 levels pretty soon. So that's one. Um, Meanwhile, what I will also do is I should log into my. Oh, not this. So, any further questions, feel free to ask. Because I saw some 5 to 6 questions in the group yesterday. Can't remember all. People were asking why I was taking this position of entering into PE. I have initiated a short straddle. Okay, my short straddle is a naked one. Okay, and if the market moves more than 1500 points, I will run into loss. So, in order to give some sort of coverage and edge, I am taking that position, and that's why I'm taking a small quantity, right? Even if it moves another 200 points upside, I will keep averaging. I have no problem at all. So that position is absolutely safe. That's why yesterday, even after I took it at 535, it closed at 436, 100 points. 100 into 100, 10,000 rupees gone, right? Like, I was not panicking, because I know today I will be able to get it, and I very much got it back. So it's fine. It's about, finding the right levels and knowing what you're doing. That's all. Okay. Cool. Abhishek, at what price did you get? I've taken 500, 41, 4500 March end. Okay. Oh, what is it? You have taken 500 March end 40,000 PE. What is 500? Price. You got it at 500 rupees. It was trading at 470 or something. Why did you take it 500? Bhaskar, wide CPR. See, don't follow wide CPR, narrow CPR and all. It doesn't work. Our market is far superior than any indicators these days. Okay, don't trust CPR. I have lost big money trusting CPRs. Okay, it would say that wide CPR, market will not go beyond a range. All these things. That is the day that market will show maximum movement. Also, I have seen that. A lot of money was lost due to selective indicators, like only one indicator is not confirmatory, right? 483, 500 quantities you have taken. Abhishek, what is your capital, man? Why are you going so aggressive? Good morning, Mohammed Idris. Very good morning. See, don't dump all your capital in one junction, okay? Let it be evenly spread across and deploy it in a staggering manner. Like, first you take 100. I have a trade plan, averaging plan. My thing would be first I will start off with 100, then I will have my next level. There I will go 200, and then third point I will go 500. That's all. Three averages, and if it is not going to give me, I am going to exit, book the loss and exit. Whatever be the loss, 20k, 30k, whatever be the loss, book it and exit. Because beyond it, you should not go averaging. That's my trade setup and my trade discipline. But if you're going first itself 500, what will happen if it goes 100 points up? Think about it. Very first average, even before you do the first average, you'll be in a loss of about 50,000 rupees. How will you average? Hi, good morning, Jatan. VIX is below 14 today. Yeah, and that's needed, very much needed, because every time the market goes down, the VIX will quickly jump up. That's not a problem. I was market looking today. Market will take its market shows some sort of bullish inclination, but it's not going to survive there. See, this was the range, right? First it made its peak, and then second candle it made its peak, came down again, it made its peak, now it's going down. So technically this should drop, and I am bearish. Intraday also I am bearish, future also I am bearish. See, never initiate a position with intraday perspective. Always start with short term and long term view perspective, because in intraday only the long term will unfold, right? Suddenly the market is crashing, you ask what is the reason? People will say that long term projections are it is bearish and now the move has started. But intraday anybody can say that it is going to be bullish, bearish, whatever. But always the long term trend will supersede the intraday waves. So you operate with that mindset. Yeah. You always initiate a position thinking that it is for next 2 to 3 weeks. With that mindset, if you initiate, you will be fine. Oh, as of now, don't. Okay, Abhishek, 25% of deployment of your capital without an edge is a risk. Okay, say for example, if you have used 25% of your capital, and you have also edged your position. For example, 484 you have taken, say some 250 rupees strike you have written, your position is edged, right? That is at least you are risking only that 150 rupees. Now you are risking entire 483. That's a huge risk. So yeah, that's a typical mistake of beginners. Everybody does it. Everybody does it, but learn quickly. The plan. Rainaji, the thing is, if you are averaging the higher strikes, what will happen is your deployed capital will keep on increasing, right? You can do that. You can do that. Yeah, because March is just one day away. Then the premium erosion will be there. It's better you adjust it with one strike higher. That's fine. For example, you took the first position at 40,000, market has moved up. Now you do the averaging at 40,500. That's okay. I mean, you take the position of 40,500. I am finding this to be a very bearish candle formation. But don't dive in. Don't just dive in with my readings of the market. It will take time for market to give you confirmation. Right now, as it confirmed, I would say 80% yes. 80% it is bearish. When it will be 100% or more than 95, when it breaks this one, when it breaks this level, it's far more confirmatory when it breaks this level. Let it make new lows. Yes, Abhishek, it is deep ITM. We go for deep ITM because the rewards are faster. To give you an example, like you have about 10 rupees with you. You want to bet on the horse. If you are betting on the horse that's running at the 5th position, one second. All right. So there are 10 horses running in a race. You have 10 rupees. You are going to bet, right? You are saying that the horse that is running last, the bet is very less, right? Like 10 paise only you have to put, and if you win, you will get 100 rupees. Okay, 10 paise you want to put, but it is running 10th. There is a horse running at 5th position, betting on it, saying that it will win. Now your reward is 50 rupees. You put 5 rupees, you will get 50 rupees. Now deep ITM is horse is running on the first place and you are betting that it will win, right? Now the bet you are putting 10 rupees and the reward is 20 rupees only, but you are sure to win the 20 rupees, correct? That's what deep ITM is. Okay, my baby is taken out of the room now. She was so excited and then she was making some sounds just now. She's taken out. Okay. Um, are you guys able to see me, hear me? Because I don't see any reactions in the comment section. Is it clear, guys? What I was saying? Okay, cool. Perfect. Awesome. Awesome. Thanks for the confirmation. Uh, cool. Market is going up again. Okay, Abhishek is asking the OI addition in the 40,400B is substantial while for 40,500 is flat. How should we read this? Now, what happens is the strikes sometimes will have more, like 40,400 is more than 40,500, indicating that market is not interested in going beyond that point, right? We might be thinking that round figure is 40,500 and that should be a good, but there are strong players who feel that not only 40,500, 40,400 itself is too strong. So they are not interested in taking the market higher. That's what it reads. So anytime that you see the market reaching 40,300, 400, you will see heavy sell off coming up. So it is a good indicator if you're a buyer. Whenever the market crosses 40,300 to 400 levels, if it is trading between, you can initiate the positions, because at 40,400 you will see a strong sell off. That's how you should read it. Purely talking about OI alone, okay? There could be other things like zones, resistance, indicators like RSI, volume, all these things play out. EMA also plays out, but principally this is what it is. Okay. So Sainath is saying, oh, very good morning, Sainath. Holding your 40 kb. Yeah, you can average now, Sainath. If you have money, if you have good capital with you, you can average now here as well. Like you can go for two lots. If you have taken one lot, now it's time for you to go for two lots. Provided you have good capital. If you have very moderate, then go for one lot of averaging. this is a good place to average. I'm even thinking of fresh entry, but then I will not do that because I have come back from a break. I need to analyze all the factors before I initiate. That's the problem. You give 1 day break also, you need to really have to align yourself. Mhm. Mhm. So, mhm. So good. As soon as it makes some sudden spike, I will initiate a PE position. I want to get it as cheap as I can get. Mhm. Yes, Bhaskar, you're right. It's trading in the first 15 minutes candle itself. That's right. So Sainath Shetty has taken one lot and will take one more. The market progresses. That's very nice, Sainath. Good. Safe it is. So Abhishek says that I won't be trading for next 3 months, sir. I have kept a target for a few points. Edged this capital blocked with investment into proper equity. That's wonderful. Very good. Very good. Whatsoever be the reason, taking a break is always good. As a beginner, it gives you a lot of discipline. Very good. We will join the class on 4th. Most welcome, and I'm looking forward to meet you and all those people who have registered. I'm quite thrilled. We'll meet on Saturday. Yeah. Mm. The moment it reaches 400 level, you will see a fantastic sell off happening. So I'm waiting for it. I can initiate now also, but I will be very happy if I can get it at 4400. Mm. Okay, cool. So totally we have about 989 followers on Trading Wave. Just 11 more that will make it into 1K. Quite excited about that. The market's moving up. Good, good, good. I think I will go and initiate now. Okay. Mm. I took some positions. it's going to the peak. See, this is a good fishing technique. You got it at you, you got it at the cheapest price when you look at the long term, right? Um, how I know this is cheap? Because 4 days back or 5 days back, it was trading at 700 rupees. Something that was trading at 700 rupees, we got it at 450 rupees, right? So definitely it is cheaper. It has lost more than 40% of its value as compared to last week. So that's so this is what being patient is about. Okay, it's not for the intraday that we are being patient. Positionally, we are being patient. We waited for days, several days, to get it cheaper. And it will be like suitably rewarding if you are waiting for a few more days. Even when the market comes back to 40,000 P, 40,000 levels, you will get very good returns. Very, very good returns. That's exactly the peak at which we took the position. 40,000 PE. I took 40,000 PE. So if you look at this setup, it's making ascending candles with long wicks. Then VWAP 920 all are below and it's trading above. Perfectly, this is a bullish setup. So this is a bullish setup. People say that we should go for calls, but my long-term view is bearish, and I know this is at the Fibonacci retracement level, the reversal point. So I don't want to really go and take intraday position. Rather, I will stick with my long-term view. That's why I'm on the PE side. So if you are looking for any scalpers, scalpers will say that it is bullish, and then they will go on to buy the CE and make some quick money. But I'm a positional player. I don't have to do that. I would rather take some PE positions here. So is it clear? And scalpers will, if there is a large candle, scalpers will be wondering why it is reversing, because they will not analyze Fibonacci and all.
because for a scalper, quick money is needed. So they will have this sort of trade setup. They will not be really looking into Fibonacci retracement and all. If there is a large fall, they'll be like wondering why it is reversing, what a twist, all these things. Those discussions will happen. But positionally, we know why market falls from here. Look how they have trapped and then brought it down, right? So this is what our analysis said, right? We are expecting the market to reverse once it trades around 4400 levels, and it is retracing, I mean reversing from that point, right? This is the peak, it is reversing. But the good part about it is you need to keep scalping or trailing your stop loss. If you're in profits, you should start trailing your stop loss, because multiple opportunities you will get like this. That's all. So I did a quick scalp. I exited at 470. 450 I got in, 470 I exited. 20 points. And still holding that 100 quantities from yesterday. So this is what good risk management is. Find the right entries, book, exit, hold on to the long positions. So how many of you booked with trailing stop loss? Anyone? Wow, look at that fall. My god, what a fall that is. Massive. Now, this is exactly what I was saying. Scalpers will be like wondering why the market is falling, right? Just 10 minutes back only I said. Although this is a bullish setup, everybody will go in as a scalper, but when market falls, they'll be surprised. And exactly the market has fallen almost like 150 points. So what is happening here is we have a double top formed in 5 minutes. This is one top and this is the second top. So double top is formed. Another indicator for downtrend. Okay. First thing is we have a retracement rejections at this level. Second, we have double top here. Third, we have OI data saying 40,400 and 40,600 are strong reversal points. So many confirmations that this is the peak, like market should fall from here. Exactly, you're seeing the fall. I'm sure now everybody who has taken position in the morning should be in profits. Irrespective of where you have taken the first trade, you all must be in profits now. This is a significant fall. Oh, okay. So Raina ji has missed it. He didn't take it. Okay. So Nifty is falling better than Bank Nifty. Okay, let's check it out. I haven't done my analysis with Nifty yet. I'm sure Vijay must be really upset with me. It's the old data that's going to come. Let's see. Yeah. So I'm just doing a quick study of Nifty. Just give me some time, guys. So you will find some rejections again at VWAP level. Like, see, market has come down from the peak, reached the bottom. Now it is going up, right? Now look at this. VWAP 9 and 20 are there, right? Now here you will find some rejections. Very likely that the market will find a red candle here. Let's see if that works. Okay, just give me some 2-3 minutes. I'll be back. Um, yeah, you see the rejection happened there, right? Exactly where we said there will be rejections, it's getting rejected. Nice. So these are the times where lot of synchrony is there of what we feel and how market reacts. That's a very good time to make money. Fantastic, Vijay. Made 2.5 percentage profit of my capital. That's great. You should stop trading. 2.5 is an exceptionally good returns. Okay. Big players look for 2 percentage. You got 2.5. You should stop trading. Yes, many congratulations. That's good. Hard times for the market. Stay with it. It gives returns. Okay. Yeah, you will see that it's not a clean fall. It's not a clean up move. It's making one green candle, two red candles, then one green candle, three red candles, and so on. Extremely tough for new players. Unless you know what's happening, it will be easy for you to lose money in this market. Guys, I have some small work to complete as well. What I will do is I will finish my breakfast and then finish that work. I would need about an hour. Okay. So, do you want me to end the stream and then restart it later, or let the stream continue? What do you prefer? We should be back by 12:15 around that time. Whichever is your preference, I'm okay with it. Okay. Let this stream continue. Alright. Anything is okay with me, but in case if it gets disconnected, then I will not be there to check what happened. That's the only part, but that's okay.